And welcome to the third session of the Crypto Expo 1.0. We have had two amazing sessions. The first of them, we introduced you to the Crypto Expo, and you got to know of who we are, what we represent, and a lot of opportunities that are present in the crypto ecosystem and how you can be part of them. And if you are yet to see that video, I'm going to include the video to it in the description below. And the second video is where we took a deep dive into what cryptocurrencies are really all about. Oh my, we said a whole lot about cryptocurrencies, what they really are, how they work, and in fact, we got to see the projects, some of them, what they're achieving, you know, a lot of things that many people out there never knew about cryptocurrencies. I tell you, the understanding that is given in that video is very fundamental to making anything in the crypto ecosystem rather. So you really need to see that video if you are yet to. And you'll also find the link for that in the description below. Now we would get into what might interest you the most, or what will interest you the most. Trading cryptocurrency profitably. All right. I know that many persons must have heard of crypto trading, if even if they don't know much about crypto and what it is, what blockchains are. But quite a number of persons have heard about crypto trading. At least everybody knows Bitcoin. They know that, oh, it made some people a lot of fortunes, and they are hoping to also trade it some days, or they have begun to trade it. And for many of them, it all ends with the same thing. They lost a lot of money. In fact, there is every tendency that either you who is watching right now have lost some money, substantial or not, to the crypto market, or you know somebody who has, right? Or you know somebody who has lost quite a lot of money to the crypto market. Well, I'm going to be sharing with you three things that you need to trade the crypto market profitably. And what I mean by that is, I'm going to be sharing with you the secrets that only a few people out there know, with which they're making a fortune for themselves in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, right? And you see, the third point, which I have um, encrypted, let me use the terminology, as the secret, is the part that you really need to see. Many people already know about exchanges. I'm still going to talk about that. Many people know about analysis. I'm still going to tell you a lot of things about that too. But the emphasis is on the secret that many do not know. You see, if you have ever traded the crypto market, obviously you have an account with an exchange. In one way or the other, you got some signal. Either you analyzed the market yourself or you got it from someone, right? But there is this secret that is definitely missing. You are going to see it soon. And trust me, it's going to blow your mind. I am also going to be providing you a link to access the file that contains the secret so that you can spend some more time to digest it. You would even learn how to create your own. Let's dive into it immediately. In order to be able to trade cryptocurrencies, you need an account with a crypto exchange. But for us, we do more than one exchange, or I do more than one exchange. I advise you do the same. And in the course of this session, you would understand why, right? And what is a crypto exchange? Well, a crypto exchange is that platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, where you trade them. So let's just say that a crypto exchange, that is the crypto word, it's a marketplace, just a marketplace. That is what they are, nothing more, nothing less. Yes, there are decentralized exchanges, there are centralized exchanges, but that is not really what we're after now. The leading cryptocurrency exchange in the world is Binance. And yes, like I said, you will get the links to create your Binance account. You get to create your KuCoin account. You'd also get a link to create your Bybit account. Actually, I use Bybit more than any other one. I love Bybit. I like the simplicity. I like how direct it is. I like how it's better for risk management and all of that. Of course, every other exchange have their interface and how you manage risks, but I prefer the way Bybit presents it better than the others. And Bybit is not paying me for this, by the way. I'm just telling you the one that I prefer. So you find the links to those three. And after you have created an account with an exchange, now you need analysis or reliable signal. Analysis means that you need to be able to analyze what the price of the crypto coin you want to trade is going to do soonest. And I think this is the point where I need to talk a little about sorry please, I need to take this back a little. We need to talk about, yes, crypto trading models. We need to talk about crypto trading models before we go too far. Now, um, when it comes to trading the crypto market, there is spot trading, there is futures trading, and there is margin trading. Now, if anyone has ever told you that the crypto market is currently down, prices are going down, people are making a lot of losses, many crypto traders are really suffering at the moment, there's no money for them in the market. Well, they only know of one trading model. They only know of one way to trade cryptos, and that is spot trading. So, what's spot trading? Spot trading is simply all about you buying a coin and you watch the price rise. And as soon as the price increases, you sell, you make your profit. Of course, the difference between the price you bought and the price you are selling for is your profit. The same way you buy and sell any other thing traditionally, right? Exactly. That is spot trading. What it means is that when the crypto market is in a bear season, I have a video on understanding bull and bear. When we say bull and bear, there is a video to explain that in details, which you can check out on the channel too. When we say that the market is in the bear season, that means prices are going down. If you're trading spot, it's either you're losing money or you can't take trades. Why? You're losing money because you bought at $5, the price has now reduced to $2.5. You are making a loss, you cannot sell. You don't want to sell. Or you haven't bought, but since you can see that prices are going down, obviously you are not going to buy because you don't want to buy now and prices now keep going down. You won't be able to sell. If you do, you'll be selling in loss. And that is the reason why people feel like crypto traders are not making money at the moment. Prices are going down and all of that. But when we go to futures trading, you know that whether prices are going up or they are going down, I mean, I'm making all of the money. You are making the money, I am making the money too. So see futures trading as what happens in forex market. That's if you know about forex. So what you're doing in futures is more of you have done your analysis and you're saying that okay, BTC USDT for example, that's Bitcoin against USD Theta. You're saying BTC USDT is going to be rising and you're putting some money to determine the percentage of the rise and all that. As soon as the price of that coin begins to go up, the money that you are trading with begins to rise too. Like you would see the figure changing. It's rising up. As soon as the chart or the price of that coin begins to go down, that is if you predicted it's going to go up. When the price starts going down, right? Or if you analyzed and said it's going to go up, if the price ever starts going down, you see that your trading capital starts reducing or margin as the word actually is. At the same time, you can analyze the market and say, oh, this coin is going to go down, and then you take a trade. You said it's going to be going down. If the price starts going down, your margin starts increasing, you start making profit right away. And if the price starts going against you, your prediction or your analysis is that it's going to go down, but it's going up, well, you see that your money starts reducing too. And I must mention to you that one great thing about trading cryptocurrency markets is, so long you have set your trade, you have set the price at which you want to take profit, that is, you want to close. If it gets to this price, give me my money, I've made my profit. If you, so long you have set that price, you have set the price at which you want to enter the trade, you don't have to be on the app. You don't have to be on the website. In fact, your phone can be off. You don't have to have your data on. Your phone can be switched off. The whole thing would work out by itself. When it gets to the point where you want to take profit, the system takes the profit and keeps it in your wallet for you together with your initial margin. And you have made your profit for that trade. If that is the only trade you're taking for the day, you have made your profit for the day. And that is futures trading. So whether it's going up or it's going down, it's all about the correct analysis. So the truth is, myself and a number of other persons have been making quite a lot of money trading futures, whether it's going up or going down, so long the analysis is correct, which we have been hitting over 70, 80, 90% of the time, we are making the money. And we are going to be talking about how you can do the same, right? And margin trading, let me just say a few things on this and we go. I do not really intend saying a lot on margin trading, but margin trading is all about borrowed capital, and you're going to also be analyzing for either a long or a short. And okay, that takes us down to trading profitably. So I've told you that you need an account with an exchange, which is like a marketplace: Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, Kraken, Crypto.com, Whitebit, Hobbit. There are a lot of them out there, but I have told you of the three that I use the most, and the one I love the more or the most is Bybit, and I love KuCoin a lot too. I believe in KCS, that is the coin or the token of KuCoin platform. I believe a lot in that coin, KCS. Okay, so the second thing you need, which you should not joke with, to trade the crypto market profitably is analysis. You It's either you are able to open the chart and analyze the candlesticks and see that, oh, this price is going to be going down or this price is going to be going up. You should be able to analyze the market, and you should have quite a good level of accuracy. 60, 70, 80, 90%, 95% is okay, right? But as an alternative to analyzing the market yourself, you can be in a reliable crypto community where some people who are good with the analysis already, they have learned it for quite a lot of years, they're quite sound, can analyze the market and simply send you signals. So what's a signal? A signal is that information that contains the coin you want to trade, the price at which you want to enter the trade, the price at which you want to sell it, the price at which, if the coin is going against you, you want to leave the market. And that is where we minimize loss, because factually, losses sometimes happen. But if you learn these things that I'm going to be sharing with you, part of which is risk management and all of that, it's like you having $1,000. You are taking a trade, and today you made, say, $20 on your $1,000. Another day you made $150, and one day you took a trade and you lost $5. You are not going to feel it, right? That is proper risk management. The risk is going to be lesser, but the amount you can make from the trade is going to be much more, right? So you need either an ability to analyze the market for yourself and take trades, or a community that is reliable. And you know what? Even if you are actually good with analysis, you still need to be in a community. I mean, it is generally known that two heads are better than one, right? There are times you just don't see a reason why you should continue. Sometimes you're tired, sometimes you know I mean, humans, it's what happens to us. The fatigue sets in. Sometimes you lose focus. You get yourself engrossed in other things. It is community that gets you to wake up again. Another good thing about communities is you can be analyzing a particular coin and you're not even seeing anything clearly, whether it's going to go up or down. Someone else in the community is analyzing another coin that has a great opportunity and they are sharing it. Oh, so coin is going to be going down soonest. And then you quickly take a look at it. You see that, oh, wow, there's a great opportunity, really. And you pick where you want to enter, where you want to make your profit, and all of that, right? Great. So you need a community. And I am currently in one that has been quite amazing. To be sincere, I am not the founder of the community. I am not even an exco, an admin, let me put that word, in the community. I am just a member of the community who sees that this is really, really amazing. So, if you are ever interested in getting a crypto community, right, where you can, you know, get reliable signals, signals that are highly reliable, right, you will find a link to be able to ask me about it and all of that. Um, as soon as you want to do that. And the great thing is, if you're watching this video between February 5th, 2023 to February 11th, 2023, the community is currently on a discount, right? It's actually 35,000 naira. That's 35,000 naira. But for the Valentine's discount, you would only need to pay 15,000 naira to be a part of the community. And you get future signals, you get spot signals, you get constant drillings and teachings. You get a lot of exposition. You have videos that are going to put you through how to trade coins, how to place trades, how to manage losses, how to make a lot of money out of it. And you know a whole community of people that are doing this massively profitably. And if you can be in their midst, of course, like myself, you are going to be getting a whole lot of exposure and knowledge to replicate the same. All right, so that's that for that. And maybe you need to hear that for example, I am actually in Chris Annie's signal room. Chris Annie is um, arguably the face of crypto in Nigeria. He is a multi-millionaire from cryptocurrency. I'm currently in a signal room because I bought his crypto course. When I bought it, it was I think about 100K, thousand naira. But right now, I learned it's 120,000 naira. I'm in the signal room. I'm just trying to let you know that if you will not have enough time to analyze, or you just want to make this thing a lot easier for yourself, getting into a community with reliable signal is what you need. I am not just in Chrisani's signal room or the one I have just talked about before, which is different. I am also in the signal room of Breakout God. That is Naisayuk is a multi-millionaire who is doing a lot with his money, changing the future of his children, investing a lot of dollars into it because crypto has made him fortunes, right? He's a very great man at cryptocurrency. He knows his onions. And of course, I'm also in a signal room. I got in at 250,000 naira as at then. I just mentioning all of these things to you so you know the importance of these things. It's all about being where the real deal is, where people who have the knowledge to give you reliable signals. Signals that if you take 10 trades, about 9.3 out of it is going to go in the direction as predicted, as analyzed, and give you the profit. Right? You need that a lot. And now that you have an exchange, you have analysis, or you're in a crypto signal room, you need to know this secret that I'm going to be sharing with you. This secret is going to take away the possibility of, or will reduce drastically the possibility of losses for you. Now, let me tell you the real reason why people lose money rather to the crypto market. They want to make the kind of money that can take 2 years to make normally, they want to make it in one day. And as the saying goes, the higher the risk, the higher the returns. So if you're looking at a return that is so high, you're looking at making profit that is so large, it means you're going to be risking so much too. And many of the times, it is that kind of time on that kind of trade that the market goes against you. And the next thing you see is people's accounts are liquidated. What does it mean to be liquidated? You lose all the money in your account on one trade. And the moment that happens, even when you now see another trade in the market with a very easy opportunity, you don't have money to take that trade anymore because you have lost all the money in your account. You cannot trade anymore. So the main reason people lose their money in crypto is greed. They want to make a whole lot of money once instead of having a system and the required time to make shitloads of money. It is true that great things require time, right? So let me dive straight into the secret, and trust me, this is going to blow your mind what is possible. I am going to be showing you a trading plan which you will not believe, yet is so true and doable. I'm going to be providing you the link to the trading plan in the description below, so you can always access it after now. You can even adopt it for yourself. You'd also get to learn to know how you can create another one that suits your fancy, whether you want it a lot more challenging or you want it relatively easier for yourself. Okay, so let's get to the trading plan. Now, let me see if I can zoom in on this screen. I'm trying to zoom in. Okay, so another thing you need to know is that you don't need a lot of money to make so much money when it comes to the crypto market. I have created a trading plan that only requires $27, which in Nigerian naira at the rate of 750 naira per dollar is about 20,000 naira. It's actually $26.6, but rounded up to $27, right? Great. So, um, we are starting with a capital of just 20,000 naira. To be sincere with you, you can create a trading plan with simple $5. And that's about 3,500 naira. You can create a trading plan with just $10. That's about 7,500 naira. In fact, you can take a trade in the crypto market with $1. It's that easy. You don't need so much. So pick your capital. For me, I want to show you just $27. And we want to see what it can become in 3 months, in 6 months, or in 1 year, right? What is the strategy? We want to make 15% profit every week. That is, we want to make 5% profit 3 times in a week. Now, for those persons who are close to me, have access to my WhatsApp status and all of that, I share the results of the crypto community that I am currently into, the one I spoke about before, the one that is actually 35,000 naira, but for the discount is now 15,000 naira, right? And you would realize that every time I am sharing trade receipts, most of the time you see 30%, 40, 50, 60, 70%, 100 plus percent. And for some guys that are really, really very good at that, they make as much as over 1,000% sometimes. Excuse me, please. They make that much. So, but I want this to be really realistic. I want this to be really achievable. I want this to not be difficult. And so I have chosen to do just 5% on a trade. and you want to do that just 3 times every week to make 15% each week. Nothing too difficult, with a few things you need to learn and master, and with reliable signals. If you're in a group like that, you will make 5% without stress on a trade. You will make 5% without stress, right? And you don't want to overtrade. So I've chosen to say, okay, let's say we're going to just trade on Sundays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. Every other day, go about other things you're doing. You're a YouTuber, you have you're a bookseller, you are a pastor, you're an imam, you are a banker, you're a website developer. I am actually a website developer too. You're a business analyst, whatever it is, you have a lot of things going on in your life. So you don't want to just spend all your time and life on the crypto market. You just want to take trades Sunday, Tuesdays, Fridays, and we're talking about a trade that you can just set it and leave it there while it's going, and you're doing other things. You don't have to even look at it. As soon as it gets to where you want to take your profit, it's going to close the trade, put the profit in your wallet for you, and you can come back to see that, oh, it's over. It's that simple. All right. So first week, 15% of $27, which is our opening capital, is about $4.05. And that means at the end of first week, you will be closing with $31. Like I said, 5% 3 times a week. Very, very easy to achieve. And I'm sure that $4.05 is not anything big, but now we're closing with $31. Week two, 15% will give us of $31 will give us $4.65, and that will close out at $35.65 actually. But I want to make this plan really easier to achieve and all that, so I choose to put just 35. Forget the 65 part. Let's say it's just $35. Okay. Third week, $35 will give you 5.25 profit. By the time you add it up, it should be 40.25, but let's forget the decimal and just make it the smaller figure, $40. By the fourth week, the profit, 15% of $40 is 6. So we have $46. So by the fifth week, the 15% of it is $7, and that gives us a total of $53. Maybe you're going to ask a question, are you saying we will not make any loss at all? Well, I'm not saying that. You're going to take quite a good number of trades that will come in profit if you are in a very reliable signal room, or crypto community, or your own analysis is so good. But still it happens that some trades go against you. But imagine that your target on each trade is 5%, right? Actually, the amount you're going to be risking would not be more than, say, 1%. So if you take a trade and you lose 1%, by the time you take the next trade, you can cover up for it, hit the 5% and probably 5.5 or 6%, and you have made up for the 1% loss the other time. Now, this is very practicable. It's what I am doing. This is not even the trading plan I am using at the moment, but I am doing something that is even higher than this. I have people who are doing a lot more than that. It is very practicable. This particular one is very, very easy, realistic, and achievable. All right. So fifth week, you're closing with $53. Sixth week, you are starting with your $53, and the 15% is going to give you $8, and that closes you at $61. By the seventh week, $61 will rise to $70, 5% 3 times every week. By the eighth week, 70, 15% is going to be 10, and you have $80. By the ninth week, $80 plus 12 is going to give you $92. I think it's beginning to make some sense. But what does it take? Discipline to stick to the plan. Don't try to make 1,000% on one trade. 5% is enough. Do not try to make 170% on one trade because you want to show profits that choke. You want to make the profit of 100 years in one day. You are going to lose your money. Do not. 5% and you have closed for that day. and you want to do that just 3 times every week. So ninth week, you're going to be closing with $92. By 10th week, your $92 will give you $13 as profit, and that closes you at 105. Next, your 105 grows to 120, 5% 3 times a week, and that is about 15%. 11th week, you see $120 grows to $138. All right, that's beginning to look good. 12th week, 138 will give you $20 addition. That's 15% of 138. You have 158. And meanwhile, I'm still going to be sharing with you the link to a particular um, compound calculator that you can use to create your own crypto trading plan, or your own trading plan. You will set the percentage you want to make on each trade. You set how many times you want to take a trade per week or per month, or all of that, and you can calculate how much is it going to give you every year. In a year, how much would it be in 6 months? It's going to give you a breakdown of each week, the profit, the total, the earning, and all of those things. I'm going to share the link with you in um, the description below. So by the 12th week, you grow $138 to $158. Remember, 12 weeks is already 3 months. So what I'm saying is this requires a plan, discipline. Do not try to make all the money in one day. That is how you lose your account. And when you do, you cannot take a trade again until you go look for some other money that you want to put into the market. But you don't want to lose your money. And you're not even looking for two big profits. So this is very doable. 5% 3 times. And in 3 months, which in my opinion is not too much, you have grown $27 to 158. I know the gap is not that wide for you if you're looking for a lot of money. But I tell you, one more month is going to blow your mind. The reason is this is compound interest. This is compound money. The 15% of last week is no longer the same 15% of this week. It's bigger. So 15% onwards after 3 months starts giving you big figures. You see, by the time we start getting to some weeks now, you would see how much 15% is going to be. And trust me, this is crazy. So at the end of 3 months, you have $158. In Naira, it is 120,000 Naira. What it means is you have done 6 times of your trading capital in just 3 months. You will not believe what it will be in 6 months. Let's go on. So for week 13, $158 grows to 181 because you make $23, which is just 15%. Week 14, $181 grows to 208. Giant leaps. Week 15, $208 grows to 239 because you make $31, which is 15% of 208. Week 16, 239 goes to 274. Week 17, 274 goes to 315. Now it's getting serious. Week 18, 315 goes to 362. Week 19, 362 goes to 362, actually goes to 416 in 1 week. Just 5% 3 times. No stress, no qualms, no excess risk, no high blood pressure. Just a simple plan and discipline, right? Week 20, 416 goes to 478. Week 21, 478 grows to 549. Week 22, 549 grows to 631 because $82 is 15% of it. All right. Week 23, 631 goes to 725, $94 in 1 week. All it takes is time and discipline. 24, which is Week 24, which is 6 months, exactly 6 months, $725 grows to 833. That's 6 months. And that is 620,000 naira. Now, let us do a simple calculation. Um, 620 620 divided by, you started with $20. Let's see how many times. You have done 31 times your trading capital in 6 months. So just imagine you actually started with a 50,000 naira with $100 or more. And like I said, you can create a trading plan that is going to be a lot easier for you. You can choose to start with $10 and you want to make 10% per week. Feel free to do the breakdown. Please feel free to do the breakdown. Let it show you what you can do in 3 months, what it can become in 6 months, what it can become in 1 year. And you would realize this is not difficult. You only need reliable analysis. You only need a reliable crypto trading community. And for those who have been seeing my status, you know that every single day we post the profits. We are not creating them. Until you make the profits, KuCoin, Binance, Bybit will not give you that receipt that we always show. They won't until you make that profit actually. So this is very, very practicable. At the end of 6 months, you have grown $20 to $833. And I'm going to just leave you with one thing. Make sure that you continue the calculation from week 24 to week 52. I'm sure you know that when we did 3 months, it was just 158. In the next 3 months, 158 has grown to 833. Now imagine what 833 would grow to by the end of 52 weeks. Let me also be a lot more real and human with you. If you are trading this kind of plan, you are going to be tempted multiple times to withdraw something out of the balance, because you are making the money. Why would you not want to make withdrawal? So there is a simple trick to deal with that. I told you at the beginning that we usually have more than one exchange, right? And this is the reason. You want to have an account with one exchange where you are strictly trading this plan, and then you can have another account on another exchange where you are taking the trades that you want to be withdrawing from that account. So when you make the profit, you want to go for a meeting over the weekend, you have a function, you want to, you just want to improve your own life, you want to, beautify your house, you want to, buy a new car, you want to, book a trip to another country, you want to go on an excursion, you want to organize a party, just whatever it is, you want to change your wardrobe, you want to buy a new course to study more and create another source of income and all of that. The other account that you are trading for the purpose of withdrawal is where you do that. The trading plan is meant to be followed strictly. You want to be disciplined. You want to be disciplined. So I told you at the beginning that I'm going to be sharing you a secret that you most likely have not heard about. And that secret is a realistic trading plan given enough time to see the magic. I have given you the three solid things that you need to be able to trade cryptocurrency profitably. I mean, extremely profitably. All it takes is a plan, discipline, time, and reliable signals, either created by you or by a community. And I've also told you that even if you're good at analysis, excuse me, please, even if you're great at analysis, a community is really, 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 really needed. I mean, it cannot be overemphasized. There's a reason why those great guys are creating communities. People need it. All right. So with this, um, we have come to the end of the trading profitably session. We have also come to the end of Crypto Expo 1.0. I'm so grateful you followed from the beginning up until now. I'm so elated to have you here. I'm sure that it is worth your time. Let me also remind you that there is every need for you to please click on the like button so that YouTube can make many other people to see this video, right? If you do not click on the like button, the YouTube algorithm, sorry, please, believes that you did not enjoy it. And what it means for them is that the video is not so good, right? And then they don't promote it. So please remember to click the like button and also subscribe so that as soon as we have other videos up, you will be notified of them. At this point, I would say thank you so much for following this far. I am sure that you are ready to go ahead and create your own trading plan, one that you know your person can easily do this. You know what to do. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I will reply your questions. I would also provide the necessary links to access this particular trading plan. I'll provide you the link to the compound calculator. I'll provide you the links to the Crypto Expo community if you want to be there to, ask questions, be part of what we are building, and all of that. And if you want to know about the community where I get the signals and all of that, feel free to ask, feel free to reach out to the community, to the Crypto Expo community where we can give you direction. All right. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day. Ciao.